Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I do makeup. For all my lovely little haters out there, thank you for my views. So today we are starting off with doing this awesome pretty red and pink makeup. And to start off, I did the Master Conceal in the shade 10 Fair, and for this I'm just pretty much basing my eyelid. Then I'm taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I am using this white eyeshadow. This is just basically given another base on top of the concealer, and this just helps eyeshadow kind of glide on a little bit better. Then I'm taking the Dare to Create 39A Morphe. You guys, I don't really feel like I need to explain myself. I am so addicted to this palette, it's ridiculous. Now for that part, I am just taking that on the outer part of my eyelid, as well as the inner part of my eyelids, or the inner corner, as you would say. And for this, it's just basically giving it a good transition color. Next, I'm taking this pretty red, actually I don't really want to say it's like red. For some reason, red is one of those colors that's really hard to get when it comes to eyeshadow. I don't know what it is, but it is very hard to find one. So I find that a lot of the reds have a lot of pink in them, and by the end of the video it kind of looked more pink than it did red. So, but yes, I took this reddish color in the 39A palette, and I'm putting that on the outer corner of my eye as well as my inner corner. Next, I'm taking that same palette and I'm taking this very black matte eyeshadow. This is probably my favorite black eyeshadow that I have. It is very pigmented and I find that it blends very well, but although with this makeup I wasn't too happy with how it turned out at the end, but you know, I just kept going and I just let it be. Next, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I love this palette, I really do. And I'm taking that kind of pinkish champagne color and I am putting that kind of in the center of my base, my eyelid. And I just really wanted that like nice pinkish poppy color. Although the rest of my makeup does look pink when I wanted it to look red, but you know, hey, what are you gonna do? But yes, as I was saying earlier, I wasn't very happy with how the black crease kind of turned out. I wasn't wanting it to be a very fine line, a very vibrant, like straight line on my crease. I wanted it to blend in, but I wasn't finding that it blended very well, and I'm not really exactly sure why. But like I said before, I just went along with it, and I still think it turned out great. Next, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm using this kind of chromish beigeish color, almost. And I am just doing my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the True Naked by CoverGirl Jewels, and I'm taking this. What's funny about this eyeshadow is it goes on, it looks white, but it kind of goes on pinkish. It's kind of weird to me, but I thought it worked pretty well with this makeup that I did. And see, as I said earlier, now it just looks pink. It doesn't look red. But I still like how it turned out. Now on this part, I'm just trying to add a little bit more of that red color out of the 39A palette, just to kind of see if I could get the red to pop, and it wasn't working. By the way, you guys, who else is excited for Jeffree Star's new palette, Blood Sugar? Oh my god, I am. Oh, I really hope he doesn't disappoint us with it, with the color reds. Oh, I'm so excited for it. Next, I'm going with the LA Splash Sinfully Angelic Eyeliner. I haven't had any problem with leakage with this eyeliner lately, where I would just open it and there's be a huge like bubble of black eyeliner on it, and I wouldn't never understand why. I haven't had really a problem with it, but then I do kind of find that it's drying out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to switch the tips over. And then I took my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, and then I put my Cosmic Lashes on, and these are the ones for Sorry Not Sorry. I do have a code for that, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and look in the description. Now for that part, I just did take my number 7 primer. This has been my go-to when it comes to primer lately. I have not used any other kind of one. And then I took the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation. I think this is in the shade 10C, if I remember right. And this has also been a very go-to for me lately. I did only get it like, I want to say 4 days ago, and I have used it every day since then. Next, I'm taking my Master Conceal, and then I'm also taking the Age Rewind. And for this one, I am just doing what we do with concealer, and then I am taking the Age Rewind concealer, and I'm kind of darkening up my contouring areas. Instead of just making it all powder, I do a little bit of liquid contour as well, and it just makes it blend and mesh a lot better at the end. Next, I'm going in with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. This stuff is the holy grail in my opinion. I absolutely love this stuff. Then I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 100. This is another holy grail for me. I haven't really used any other powder. Then I took the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'm still not going to try and pronounce that. Now for this part, I did take the same black matte eyeshadow in the 39A palette from Morphe, and I am just darkening up my eyelash line. And then I took the red color that's in the same palette and kind of putting that on top of the black and bringing it down a little bit. Then I took the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and that's in the shade Diva. And I will be just putting that kind of in the center of my lips. Then I took his Wifey liquid lipstick, and I'm making kind of a border around my lips around that pink one. That way they mesh really well. Then I took the Jewels palette again from CoverGirl, that same white color, and I'm just kind of dabbing that all over my lips to give them that really nice kind of shimmery shine. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look for this makeup. I absolutely love this makeup. It came out so pretty. I wasn't as red as I wanted it to be, but it still came out very, very gorgeous in my opinion. Alright, and guys, and that's it. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe or whatever you guys want to do. It really helps me out a lot. It also helps you guys out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video.